Hello, we're at my wonderful friend Michelle's art gallery opening, or exhibit. It's just a little blurb of Material Nature, Boston Sculptors Gallery, and there's Michelle. That's the other artist.
So I was so glad that I said, look, I know your piece going to show. I can't.
We just watched some guy try to pull these off the wall, which is kind of funny. Apparently, you're not supposed to touch art, but if it's plastic, it's okay. Mom, I think those are a lot of your bags that you donated. Unbelievable. These are cut-up bags that she crocheted. You can't even imagine the hours that it took to do this. I'm doing a little video. Here's the artist and her husband. Hi, Keith.
Hi. I didn't
What?
make video.
I'm doing it right now. I'll show you after I'm done, Mr. Technological savvy web designer guy. All right, so it's very easy. But anyway. What is, oh, this is what, do we have names for these, Michelle? Again. Ooh, that's kind of cool up close. I mean, it's cool far away too, but look at that. Isn't it?
When you get right inside, you can see the other side.
Yeah. Crazy. What happens when we get in here? I was saying how that guy, I said, apparently, you're not supposed to touch art, but plastic, it's okay.
Well, if you carry it home,
Yeah, right.
you feel a certain.
Yep. Do you have any artist questions? She's right here. Hi, George. I'm just doing a quick video tour and yeah. Pins. I have to say, those look like chocolate chip cookies. Those guys look like chocolate chip cookies right there. Toll House. And here's another one. Amazing. Dun, dun, dun. Really detailed. This was the postcard piece. The little guy here. I think I got to end because, and bringing in some of her pottery work. And this is the opening. Isn't that nice? Hi, Mom.